Let's see now the reaction between magnesium and dilute hydrochloric acid. As we have seen in the case of sulfuric acid, during the reaction, we will observe fizzing, and then heat will be produced. And lastly, magnesium will disappear, leaving a solution called magnesium chloride at the end. The equation is magnesium plus hydrochloric acid reacts to give magnesium chloride plus hydrogen gas. We notice that here, there's a colorless gas being produced, which is the hydrogen gas. The same happens as in the case of sulfuric acid and the magnesium, but the only difference is the acid reacting with magnesium. At first, it was sulfuric acid. However, now it's hydrochloric acid. So consequently, the salt produced will change. In this case, we have magnesium chloride. Since magnesium reacted with hydrochloric acid, as we said before, when a metal reacts with hydrochloric acid, the salt obtained should be a chloride,